Thursday. Happy Thursday. These are fabrics that have just got one more chance. They're just a few yards left. They're all 100%. They're not all, but mostly. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. It's beautiful. I love it because the stripes aren't straight. Do you see that? Isn't that cool? It's striped, but they're not straight. I love the twist up. This is a little floral print. So beautiful. Cotton poly, but mostly cotton, and it has great drape, and it's a beautiful fabric. This is my Fendi Blues, 100% cotton. I made my shirt. I've worn my shirt. I love my shirt. Again, just few yards left of these fabrics. This 100% cotton black and white Cavalli, almost gone. Literally 100% viscose. There's just a couple yards left of this one. Isn't that beautiful? Love the samurai. And then this is the dot. It's got a little tiny dot on dot. I'm going to try to, I just don't think you can see it, but there's a little tiny dot that comes through from the other side. 100% cotton. Again, beautiful fabric. So we're just going to have a little bit of a cleanup here. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.